This is paper 2, math, year 9, 2020. And since it's paper 2, calculator is allowed and the time is 1 hour. So I'm going to make it 2 or 3 parts. Part 1, let's say from problem 1 till 10. Problem 1 is easy, straightforward. Simplify this. Since the base is the same, so I'll put the base x, and then the power is 4 plus 5, then I'll get x to 9. And that's it. Problem number 2, here's the expression, 3x minus whatever. And then value of x is substituted. Let's say x, for example, 5. Then they ask, what is the first operation I'm going to do? First operation is going to be subtract 2 from the 5 I put. So where is it? Here, this one. Problem number 3, the graph. The length of a book is 25 centimeter. And then complete with, upper and lower, the upper and lower. Since it's to the nearest centimeter, so I'll get 1 centimeter. And then divided by 2, I'll get 1/2 or 0.5 centimeter. So the upper limit will be 25 plus 0.5. And the lower limit will be 25 minus 0.5. Okay? So this will be 25.5 and this is 24.5. And problem number 4. We have 2 parallel straight line. This arrow means parallel. And some angles correspond, whatever what they ask. And here they say check 2 correct statement. Statement 1, angle A is corresponding to angle B. A and B are corresponding. Where is A? Where is A? That's A. And B? That's B. No, they are not. No, this is wrong. This is wrong. Second one, angle D is alternate to angle C. A and C. A and C, yes. Yeah, this and this. They all alternate to each other. This one is right. Angle A is equal to angle D. Yeah, that's right. They are equal. And the last one, angle A is vertically opposite. No, this one is not. So that's wrong. Okay. Problem 5, it says find the size of each interior angle of a regular pentagon. Regular 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now the sum we need, here's the general rule for the polygons. For the polygons, number of sides and the sum of the angles. Lowest is triangle, so 3. Here we have 180. 4 is 180 plus 180. Okay. 5 it's 180 plus 180 plus 180, so it's 3 times 180. And then divided by 5. So the answer will be 3 times 180 over 5. You get the answer. B, the cross section of a prism is a regular pentagon. what they want. Draw a ring about the number of plane symmetry. Plane symmetry is like a mirror. You put a mirror on this shape, this is prism, and then you need to see the same image. So since it's pentagon, so imagine, let me go back to this, and then this is the prism. That's the prism. So if I put my mirror on the cross section, I could get 5 of them. Let me show you. If I put it here as a plane, then this is similar to that. If I put it like that, so it looks like I have 5 from here. Also, if I go to midpoint of the prism and I put my mirror over there, so most in here I have 6. See, there is a 6. See? I have 6. What else? Nothing in this page. Page 5. Problem number 6. A cylinder. Radius is given, height is given, volume, easy. So we need the area of the base, which is circle. So the area equal pi r squared, which is pi 7 squared, and the height is 15. So the volume equal area times height, which is pi 7 squared times 15. Get this number. And number 7. Complete the table. This is a parabola, x squared minus 4. You need to know this without calculation. Y equal x squared look like that. Passing through 0, 0. If you have 2, you have 4. If you have minus 2, you have 4 also, because it's square. We call it even function, symmetric. So as you see, when x is 2, y is 0, when x is not, so negative sign is doing nothing. Then I could use this property. When it's 1, it's minus 3, so when it's minus 1, I'll bring this in here. That's minus 3. Then I need to get just one of these, 3 and minus 3. Substitute. If it's 3, and 3 squared minus 4, that's 9, minus 4, that's 5. I'll put 5 in here, 5 is there. What else? Draw it, you just follow these, locate these points, and that's it. That was problem number 7, I think. Number 8, we have temperature of 1 cities. So 3 cities, the temperature between 8 and 6, and 2 of them is whatever, something like that. Well, they wait, complete this. Completed, let's see what we have. 8 and So here I'm going to get the average of T is 7. And let's see, in 7, the frequency is 3. Where is 7? Here is 7. And that is 3. Follow just this. Okay? Here is the average, 14, 16, that's 15. I need to jump to 8. 15 in here. And 8 will be the highest. That's 8, that's 15. That's 1 point. Let me go back and see what's the one before here. 12 and 14, so that's the average is 13. 13 is 3. Where's 13? 13 in here. 3, it should be here. So I'll come back to this like that. and then I'll jump to that one. That's it. That's part A. Part B says put a ring around the interval only containing the median. Medians look like the midpoint, and keep in mind these are classes, not individual. So come back to the table and see how many cities in here. 3, 5, 9. So here 9 cities, and here is 8. So most likely in this interval. The answer should be 12, 14. 12 is there, 12, 14, this one. And part C, find the, what's that? Value of the range. Range is highest minus lowest. So it's 16 and 6. 16 minus 6 is 10. If we want to be really precise, 6 does not belong. 6 is belong because equal, but 16 does not belong. So the range is a little bit less than 10. Less than 10. So let's say 9.99, something like that. I think if you write 10, they will award you also, but just to be precise. Okay. And problem number 9. Here's the equation of some straight line. How do I know straight line? Because the power of x is 1 in all of them. X is 1. So that's straight line. I draw a ring around the graph where the gradient means the slope. Slope is 2. Which one has slope of 2? The general formula is y equal mx plus b, where m is the slope or the gradient. This is 1, which is not 2. This is 2. This is 1/2, which is not. And this one, just 2x minus 3. Who's that? Yellows? I don't know who's that. Has been asked. Y equals 6, both have the same comment. So two straight lines, this and that. The comment, he already wrote it. He said they are both straight line, because the power of x is just 1. They both have the positive gradient. This is 6, which is positive, and this one is 2, it's positive. We need to write one more. So both of them, they have positive. Common between them is this. Y-intercept is 1. Y-intercept is 1. What does that mean? If this is 1, so straight line number 1 passes through this, and straight line number 2 passes through this. So this is a common also. Which problem is this? 9. And last one for this is number 10. We have enlargement. Shape has been enlarged. What they want? Write down the scale factor. Scale factor. How to find the scale factor? The easiest way is to connect vertices, and I would see the easiest one is this. So if I connect this to the origin, I connect this to that corresponding, and then pass it to the origin. So as you see, this point, let me change the color. away from the origin by one diagonal, while this point away from the origin by 3 diagonals. 1, 2, 3. So the ratio is 1 to 3. It means the factor k is 3. What else? Find the center of the diagonal. Okay, enlargement. Center of enlargement, how to find it? You need to connect the edges, the vertices. If I connect this to that, and this to this, and this to that, actually you don't need all of them. You need just 2. And then the place, now it looks like 3D. The place where the, so I'm going to get 2 of them. I'll connect this to that and keep moving. And I'll connect this to this and continue moving. With the ruler, you are going to intersect in here. So the center will be 0, 0. And that's it for this. I'm going to do another one for the rest of the